Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. On the Solana chart, we are dealing here currently with a C wave to the downside. This should be a 5-wave move, so we're going to take a look at that in a minute. Bigger picture, yeah, the orange wave count is still the leading wave count. In the orange wave count, price topped in an A wave on the 13th of July, or 14th of July, which is not a high probability wave count, yeah. So if this had this been an impulse, it would have been much better. But okay, we give it the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, we give it the we give it a chance, right? So the problem is, if it's an A wave, it's a 3-wave move, and it just leaves the door open to various possibilities, and you know, it sort of makes probabilities of different wave counts more balanced. Again, means there's more uncertainty. That's just what it is, you know. However, we give it a chance, and price is currently coming down nicely as per our expectation in this ABC structure. Yeah, so we talked about it, that off this high, this was an A wave, this was likely a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. This is the orange wave count, and one more low would complete this expectation. Now, after this low, we should ideally see a C wave rally, which would be very aggressive. Minimum would be sort of $38 that we would expect, ideally above 50. Yeah, so this would be a very bullish run after the next low. It could be, yeah, because nobody's got a crystal ball, it could be that the next rally is just corrective. If it is, then this would be in the yellow wave count, a wave 4, with a wave 5 to come to the downside. Yeah, possibly hitting the area below $15 then, and then we would look at bottoming structure there. So basically the approach is here, after the next low, to watch for a bottom to form, and then watch if we get an impulsive rally. If it's corrective, it will forecast for us another low. We will be able to pick that up along the way. It's impossible to say which one it is at the moment. I prefer the orange wave count. It would be more in line with what Bitcoin is doing as well, and our expectations for Bitcoin. So zooming in to the orange wave count now and the detailed wave count. Maybe I'll take out these dashed lines. We don't need them at the moment. They might just make our view a little bit. So 1 second, we need that one. We need that one. Okay. So the point here is, price could be in something that looks a bit like a triangle. Now it seems like it broke below the trend line. Not a big deal. We're waiting for lower anyway. So the thing is, I don't see this primarily as a triangle wave count. It could be, but I primarily see the swing low that happened here at $19.50 a few days ago as a 3rd wave. The pullback was a 4th wave, and we're now coming down in the 5th wave. The 5th wave should be an ABC structure. Cannot really give you a target for the C wave. I can only do that once we have a B wave top in place. The B wave bounce should happen shortly. Resistance is between $21 and $21.60 for this B wave, and then a C wave should follow down. Again, I can't really give you a target for the C wave. At the moment, what I can see would be a likely target between $17 and $17.90. But what do we need? So first of all, I think it would be good to get that B wave bounce. It would be a corrective bounce, another lower high in the triangle, and then a lower low and break basically below that $19. Well, it was actually $19.30. Here the swing low of the 22nd of August to form a lasting low and then show us signs of a rally. Solana is pretty much, if we go to the 4-hour chart, is pretty much showing us a bottoming formation potentially. Yeah, we had already slight bullish divergences on the chart, on the 4-hour chart, daily chart. Here it's coming down nicely, the RSI as well, not oversold yet, so it still has room to go down lower. But overall, it's basically the daily RSI is where it needs to be to basically give the possibility for a significant rally after the next low. So it's already very low, not oversold yet, but another low could bring it down enough for it to be oversold. That is typically an indicator on many crypto charts, many asset classes actually, on daily RSI, that it could be a low, especially if we have the larger context, which tells us that Solana might have started an uptrend. I mean, you can never rule out that this is just an ABC structure, yeah? That's why, you know, the warning here about this not being a wave 1, which would be very bullish, but it's just an A wave, so just corrective, so it leaves the door open for other interpretations. But as long as support is holding, I focus on higher, but at the same time, at the moment I cannot confirm a low in place, so we still need to focus on lower short term. Yeah, but I would pay a lot of attention to the relevant levels identified when we make that next low. Breakout point to the upside here, $22.17. If price breaks above that level, I would start to assume that a low has already been made, maybe a little bit earlier than expected. I explained in the last video that minimally, it has enough waves to complete this C wave, but it's not very clear, so I prefer one more low. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.